Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a Tesla Model Y that we just outfitted with a set of Method 502s. This size is an 18x8, 5x114.3, positive 38 offset on this Method 502s, and then we wrapped them with a set of 255, 5518, the Wildpeak all-terrain. These are the all-terrain trails from Falkens, and they look great on these Tesla Model Ys. We added a 1 1/4 mountain pass leveling, it's like a whole lift kit for these Model Ys. It looks great. I think with this setup, the factory tires, these tires work on factory height on these Model Ys, but we just added the lift kit so it makes it look a lot better. We added the T-Sport line bumper on this one, and then it looks fantastic. I think it's a great off-road package. If you guys are looking to do something like this with the wheels and tires, don't hesitate, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.